Want to know how to find Facebook hidden friend list? You would want to find Facebook hidden friend list, as understanding how hidden friend lists work can help you enhance your own privacy settings. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find Facebook hidden friend list. It's pretty simple and quick. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top of your screen and search for the profile you wish to find the hidden friend list. Now select the profile you want to find the hidden friend list. Likewise, tap on the three-dot icon at the profile and tap on the profile links at the bottom. Now go back to your home page and tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Moreover, tap on the help and support option. Furthermore, tap on the report a problem option and tap on the continue to report a problem option. A message will appear from the Facebook Help Center. Tap on the include option. Finally, describe about the issue in the message box. After writing the issue, tap on the send button at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how to find Facebook hidden friend list. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.